Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to view data usage on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Data and Storage. Under Disk and Network Usage section, tap on Data Usage. First tab shows how much mobile data is used to send photos, videos, messages and files. Second tab shows how much Wi-Fi data is used. Third tab shows how much roaming data is used. This is how you can view data usage on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.